What's up guys, this is Ron from Ronan. Upon checking, my Android's battery is around 22%. And this is really important to me because this is the one that we are using to use Waze na app and kapag nag-Spotify tayo. That's why we are always bringing this 240 watts Essager charger. So as you can see, this is a Type-C to Type-C cord. And it has a digital screen here kapag chinarge mo na. And the best part, meron siyang strap na kasama na dito. Kasi yung iba bibili ka pa, right? So ito meron na siyang kasama. So let's charge our Android. Actually, you can interchange this one. Pero much better if ito yung nasa cellphone mo para makita mo yung LED display papunta dun sa phone mo. So let's try it out. So this is our Type-C cord. Ito yung port natin. And then this is our mobile phone. This is our Android. So charge natin. Yan, it's still charging. And I really love about this kasi makita mo na nag-charge talaga siya kapag nagtatransmit siya ng wattage. So 6 watts papunta dito. So for those who are asking, sir, pwede ba pagpalitin yan? Pakita mo naman sa amin please. So try natin pagpalitin. Itong may LED display, i-connect natin here sa port. Kasi itong wala, i-connect natin here. Yan, and it's still charging. So if wala ka pa nito, you know what to do. Click the yellow basket and order yours now.